Welcome to the future of forestry. We're taking a look at the most advanced machines on the planet. Get ready to witness incredible feats of engineering and mind-blowing technology. It's time to see these giants in action. Wow! Talk about efficiency. This Lesnaprace team's got the dream trio for forestry work. That Highlander HL20-1's self-leveling system is a game-changer on slopes. And with 272 kilonewtons of pulling power, it's unstoppable. Pair that with the Komatsu 875's raw hauling strength and the Equus 175's agility. You've got a symphony of power and precision. This is a textbook example of optimizing resources for peak performance. The mighty Big Hill Peterbilt 359. Classic roars up the steep logging road, its engine straining against the incline. Laden with massive logs, the truck embodies the rugged spirit of American logging, carrying on a proud tradition. Hold your breath, folks. Did you catch that near miss? The chain just snapped. Talk about a close call. This guy's got guts. Marrying the Cat D6 RXL with a KG blade? Genius. The D6's raw power turns stumps into splinters, and the Ripper? Forget about it. A match made in heaven. But remember, only the best in the biz can handle this beast. The crackle and pop of tradition. While gas and electricity offer convenience, the allure of a wood fire remains undeniable. Join us on a journey into the heart of a firewood factory, where logs are transformed into warmth and nostalgia. Feel the satisfaction of effortless productivity. The Timberwolf Alpha 6 empowers you to conquer any challenge. Take control, achieve your goals, and experience the joy of accomplishment. Ever wonder where that beautiful hardwood floor comes from? Well, it all starts right here. These amazing machines and skilled workers transform rough logs into the smooth lumber that builds our homes. It's a fascinating process you won't want to miss. Hitachi's Zaxxas 200 demonstrates a key advantage: resource optimization. The ripper tooth attachment maximizes output while minimizing fuel consumption. This strategic design element provides a competitive edge in the market. A case study in effective innovation Ko Lowy. Tree felling isn't for the faint of heart. Imagine dangling hundreds of feet up, battling unpredictable winds and the silent threat of rotten branches. This lumberjack's courage? Unmatched. That treetop plunge? Heart-stopping. I felt the adrenaline rush just watching. Stubborn much? This tree stump's basically a heavyweight champ, having KO'd 2 trucks in a tug-of-war. But let's be real, folks. Snapped chains are like shrapnel, and that's a recipe for disaster. Oh, and pour one out for those poor truck tires and clutches. They didn't sign up for this. This is Hull Oaks. Generations of history right here. They were steam-powered, can you believe it? But they had to switch to electricity. Tough break. Now, they're all about those hard-to-find boat parts. But wait, that's not a boat hook. It's a peavey. And check out the size of that timber. That's what I call a tree. This HM130. Mac's sawmill is a beast, handling that gorgeous red oak log with ease. I'm seriously considering getting one myself. Now, the big question, stair treads or flooring? Either way, it's gonna look incredible. Can't wait to see what you create. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Unleash productivity in the forest with the Nizla 555C. This timber harvester is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a robust saw system and specialized cutting functions. Its nimble design and intuitive controls make it a joy to handle. The intelligent control system's optimization of clamping force guarantees both precision and efficiency in every task. Buckle up, folks. This skidder isn't just a machine. It's a roaring beast ready to conquer the wilderness. Barber chairs, a logger's worst nightmare. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these things are dangerous. Whoa! Check out this bad boy. Stump Boss Ltd is bringing the heat with their custom chipping heads. This ain't your grandpa's stump grinder, folks. This beast tears through hardwood like a hot knife through butter. It's a stump grinding showdown, and Stump Boss is the champion. Mud, slippery slopes, heavy loads, no sweat. The Fiat 80 to 90 eats those challenges for breakfast. See it in action. This video is going to blow your mind. This is insane. Look at how effortlessly the Bandit 1990 XP devours this massive tree. The wood chips are flying everywhere. It's like a wood shredding tornado. This machine is an absolute beast. This clearly seemed like a hopeless situation, one that would require outside help to resolve. But no, I was wrong, and I think you were too. My heart was pounding as I watched this moment. I thought the wooden bridge was going to collapse. Tree removal? More like a dance with death. One misstep, and it's curtains. These guys? Luckier than a leprechaun on St. Patrick's Day. No gear, no clue, just pure bravado. That notch? A ticking time bomb. A healthy tree sacrificed for... what exactly? Darwin Awards material, right here. Honestly, this guy got really lucky. A tiny notch, a real tiny excavator. 150-ton tree and a 4-ton excavator? No safety gear and not enough skills. Pretty risky, buddy.
You're good. Go on, go on, go on.
Can't we just leave the tree? But trust me, those roots are going to cause trouble. They'll grow into the crack, absorb water, expand, and put so much pressure on the rock that it'll eventually give way. Nobody wants to see that happen. Wow. Would you look at that Valtra A93 forestry tractor? It's a beast of a machine, hauling a massive, fully loaded trailer like it's nothing. Those sturdy tires grip the rugged terrain effortlessly. It's incredible how much raw power and efficiency are packed into this workhorse. Who knew forestry equipment could be so impressive? The Volvo FH540, a head-turner with its bold, modern lines and signature LED headlights that command attention from miles away. It's a versatile powerhouse built to conquer long hauls, construction sites, and logging trails. The intelligent steering and engine options make every journey a smooth ride, maximizing efficiency and performance. Trust me, this truck's got the wow factor. Now, let me tell you something about this Liebherr LRS 545 log handler. It's a real beauty. Not just good looks though, this machine is built to work. You're gonna love the power, 30 tons of lifting capacity, and that grapple, a whopping 8.2 square meters. Reach out and grab those logs with that telescopic boom, extending a full 8.5 meters. Stack them high, almost 9 meters. And when it comes to maintenance, this baby is a breeze. Everything's easy to access, so you're back in business in no time. Even with its legendary reputation as a cargo beast, the ZIL 131 met its match when faced with this daunting combination of payload and treacherous terrain.
Давай, сука!
The monstrous steel, MS-880 roared to life, its powerful engine echoing through the forest. The logger stood before a colossal Douglas fir, its trunk boasting an impressive 22 feet 8 inches in circumference at breast height. This giant of the forest had stood for years, but today its time had come. With steady hands and reverence for nature's majesty, the work began.
Damn, I'm good.
The TMK 400 isn't just a tree cutter, It's a force of nature. Conquer massive trees up to 400 millimeters in diameter with its robust steel build and 4-in-1 hydraulic system. Cutting, trimming, and collecting branches is a breeze. Unleash the turbo cylinder for a 15% performance boost, turning forestry into an exhilarating experience. These machines are like a time capsule, straight out of my grandpa's logging days. But hey, they're still chugging along, doing their part for the economy. Talk about vintage work ethic. The lesson here is crystal clear. When a tree's about to fall, it's best to steer clear. You never know which way it'll crash down, and the consequences could be dire. This is a high-risk gambit. The UAZ driver is clearly banking on the car ahead, maintaining its momentum. Any hesitation, any loss of traction, and we're looking at a potential disaster. The margin for error here is razor thin. One wrong move, and it's game over. Hauling timber isn't just about horsepower, it's about brainpower. The best truckers aren't just skilled, they're unflappable. When the road gets rough, they stay cool, assess the situation, and make the right call. That's what separates the pros from the rest. A Valmet 6200 tractor partnered with the mighty Moheda MH1214 wheel-drive K50 crane carves its path through a snow-laden landscape. This dynamic duo stands ready to tackle any challenge the harsh winter throws its way. Unfazed by the biting cold, this formidable pair continues its tireless work in the frozen forest. This is a classic example of a two-stage extraction. You've got the Praga Phi 3SS3, a real workhorse providing the initial pull, and then the Zeed IL131 winch acts as the anchor, maximizing the force. Notice how the root system is giving way. Textbook execution.
gracias.
The Cenobogan 735E is a prime example of efficiency in action. Like a well-placed chess piece, its strategic role in the Pfeiffer Group's workflow is undeniable. By optimizing these seemingly simple tasks, they maximize their overall productivity. It's a lesson in leveraging every asset for peak performance.
¡Ole! ¡Porcotilla!
Ahí está, güey.
Te va a quedar trabada, hay una rama que te va a quedar trabada ahí, ¿ves?
Pero no vas a